Back up. Hey there, I'm Jenny Claire. I'm here figuring out my 40s on YouTube, and today we're gonna do something non-political. We're gonna go walk around the forest and go look at flowers. So I live in a forest here in north central Florida where we have all kinds of trees and bushes, flowers, butterflies, bees. I think a bee just flew by. And now in springtime, everything is just alive. And you can see behind me, we've got this beautiful, beautiful azalea bush. This is a Formosa azalea. It's like a purpley color. And the bushes all over the yard are just in bloom. So I can't wait to go see what the bushes in the forest, where there's a little bit more tree cover and shade, what kind of flowers they've got. What do you think's in bloom right now? Do you think all the camellias are in bloom? Probably. Well, come join me as we walk around and hope you enjoy the flowers as much as we do. Thanks. Bye. I think that one's good. Let's go. Let's go now before I decide we've got to do it again. Ready? Mwah. Okay, let's go. Okay, I know I've had you come up and down all day. All right. Time to go. Cleaning the weeds. Here, cut something else off. Cut. Can I move? Okay. No, it's just like the top part.
No,
just poking through.
Yeah, it's the shell.
Ooh, look at this one. This one's pretty. Oh, wow.
Oh no, that's different.
I know this is different. Oh, that's pretty. We need to get some of this one. Oh, this Camellia over here. They're so pretty. Yeah.
See how leafy that azalea is right there?
Well, the outside is tan, but then the flower is white. But yeah, we don't even have buds yet on some of them. I don't know, every year is different. But these guys come out every year. These weird Hawaiian looking things. These are beautiful. I want to go a little farther. He's not coming with me because I saw a white. Maybe I didn't. Where'd it go? Oh, I have to walk through that. I think I saw white ones. I never wear the right clothes. Did I see? Oh, there they are. I think it's pink and white. Wow, look at that. And there's red ones too, but I'm not gonna walk to them. It's always like there's one more. There's one more. Okay, what's this one? This is another white one. Oh, there's so many. Okay, I'm coming back. Slowly. Look at this. I don't even know if the colors are going to show very well. There's just so many of them here. Now I have to fight my way through the brush to get back. It's so fun to go see all of these. Oh, there's more over there. There's more, but I don't want to walk over. There you are. I thought you were all the, oh. I get lost in these woods. Alright, and my basket. Guess we don't need the basket. Oh, there's so many. There's still so many more to come. What? Oh, look at that. It's so tiny. See, that's what I think the property looked like before. I think it was just a whole bunch of these little tiny ones.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, this really hasn't changed in like the 10 years we've been here. They grow so slow. So pretty. I mean, look at this. I mean, this tree's been here like 20, 30, 40 years. I don't know how long. And it's still just 4 feet high.
Have growth beyond the thing. So if I cut it here, there should be roots inside that.
Yeah.
Because it's green still on this side. All 3 of them. I'm only put 10 of them in this bush.
Okay. Where were they? Like this?
The location.
What are you looking for?
No, I know it is. Right here.
Oh.
They can all be that one actually had roots. Good now.
What do you mean?
I pulled it off, but it had roots. No, that was just bark.
Doesn't look like it. The camera can't focus.
Yeah, I'm not gonna leave these on here either.
It's gonna rot away.
Yeah.
It's too bad. So like these, you were hoping that they were gonna grow up and out?
Yeah. Well, I cut them off yesterday. They had.
Seeded all? Oh, never mind.
Yeah. So we make sure that we cover the balls. There's some down in that pot here.
Right.
This one's got something in it.
Well, maybe just leave these out. Nah, that's probably a weed. I bet that's a weed that
Maybe.
found its way in there.
Let's see. Open it up. I know the stem afterwards was dead. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
weed.
that's a weed. Here shows in the picture.
Just a weed.
Yeah.
No roots. There's a little
What
bud.
is that? Ooh,
That's
that's a bud.
That's a bud, but it's on the living side of it.
Oh,
I just cut it right here.
got it.
So,
You're killing the tree.
well, this is what they look like.
Yeah, no, I'm just messing with you. No one thinks you're killing the tree.
I
And
think I am if I'm not getting this thing though.
what's on your leg? Where'd it go?
It got away.
No,
There
oh,
it
it's right there. I don't see it. Oh, it's on me. Oh, now it's on you. Tick! Ah, go to the emergency room, Jeremy.
is. Yeah.
The emergency room.
Yep. Exactly where you gotta go.
That's all the people on Reddit say. Go straight to the emergency room. You like the smell of my BO? Whew, it smells good. You want to smell it again?
No. Go.
Are you sure?
Go. Get this limb out of this.
Here's a red one. I didn't get to see any like the red ones. Nope, this is still Hawaiian. Hawaiian punch. Alright, ready to go. Okay. I think it was a productive season. Usually you don't get anything. Yeah. Alright, back to the house.
Jumping at me. Flew at me, hit me in the arm. The other one just jumped out of the grass, hit me in the lip.